for Solana. Okay, why we don't have drawings here? Okay, let me wait, maybe drawings will appear. Let me see for APT. Oh no, for link. Oh, okay, we don't have drawings. Yeah, fantastic. Let's go for Solana. Okay, great. Drawings are here. Weekly time frame, also at a massive demand zone, right? An aggressive movement upwards. Solana went straight from 30 to 200, right? So this was a massive movement from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks only, right? So it went like 10x in 7 weeks. Anyway, this is a massive movement. That's why it's a strong demand zone. Retesting the previous low here, price failing to make a low, and at least for now, right? We might trade lower from here. But supposed to take over from a long-term perspective, we need to see a break above the last major high, which would be around the 50. If we see this break, we'll be expecting further bullish movement. For now, sorry. For now, we are stuck right here. If you zoom into H4 time frame, we had this channel from last week. I think I can't really say much about it. As you can see from my alerts, I got 2 alerts. The first one is this one. Okay. Let me check. Okay. So the first one is this minor one, and then the second one is, as you can see from this alert, is these highs right here. Okay. Oh, Danny, we've got Danny joined. Hello, Danny. So these are what I'm waiting for. This one for the take over short term, and then medium term, and then finally long term. Okay. On APT, I can't really say much about this one, but I already have my alerts, as you see. Okay, we don't have enough data, but we know that we have an impulse. We are currently in a correction, right? If you zoom into H1, we can see. Okay, look, you know what? Let me go for this one. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's a demand zone. That's a demand zone, right? So aggressive movement, upward, consolidation, movement upward. Okay, that's a demand. That's why you see my alert here. If we dive lower, we'll be looking for buy stops here from a short-term perspective. If you dive even lower, we'll be looking for buy stops here. We had our impulse, and we are currently in a correction. The correction started when we had a break below this low. Okay, the correction started, and yes, we might even trade lower and lower. Okay, now for the bulls to take over, we have this high, the last major high from this channel, which is also lining up with these lows. Okay. So for the bulls to take over, you need to see a break above this. That's why you see my alert here, and my alert also here if we drop lower. Okay. Hello, Danny. Yes. Here we go. I just went over APT right here. Okay. That's basically it. Let's get back to our Newscrypto layout because we don't have any drawings. Okay. You know what I'll do? I will go back to Coupon Live, like for this layout. Copy everything. Copy. And then let me see if like this would work. Let's go back to this one and paste. Voila. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will pick like one more of these ones to do. And yeah, let's go to our live, which is like for this session. I will pick. Yeah, you know what? I will pick like link XLM and algo. Like I'm keeping an eye very much on these 3 right now as well. Okay, I'm not really sure like which one to go for. If you want to go over a specific one, please let me know because we've got so many options. So like just if you want, I will let you pick the ones that I will do. Like if you want like pick one or two, like this is the most that I can do after 1 hour talking straight. Okay. Yeah, Bukarik asked. Is the bullish movement on Lena short term? Yes, yes, of course, Bukhari. Now short term until the next resistance or the major high would be broken upward. Okay, because like this is only a break of a small high from a short term perspective. Okay, from H1. Okay, you know what? I will pick one more and I will do it for you. That's big link for link. I'm still waiting. For this high from a short-term perspective and for this high and 10 from a long-term perspective. I'm waiting for this break. If this happens, it would be fantastic. For Link, we'll be expecting further bullish movement. From a short-term perspective, we have this high here, but I don't really like how we have a resistance just like just up there. So we'll be expecting a short-term bullish movement if we take it upward. For now, we are bearish and we might still push lower before we push higher from here. Okay, XLM, the same logic as you see, this high here and this major high right there. We even have a clean double bottom formed around the 0.1. That's how strong the 0.1 round number is, especially for Link, which is what? You guessed it right, a demand zone. Look at this movement. Look at this movement. An aggressive movement upwards from here. That's definitely a demand around 0.1 and so on. You got, as you can see, I've got too many alerts here for XLM because like I want to know every single movement like it makes. Okay, so that's basically it. So like that's it for today. Everyone, hope you enjoyed it. And sorry about this. If you have any questions, like let me know. Like I said, I can answer a couple of questions. If you want to go over a specific one, also let me know. But for to me, that's it for tonight. But I will wait for 1 minute in case some of you would like to ask anything. Okay.